In this video I'm going to show you how to delete your iPhone apps even if it doesn't let you. So if I were to delete a strong app, the only option I have is remove app, and I can remove it from home screen only. But what you need to do is go to settings. From settings you want to go to screen time, click on content and privacy restrictions, click on first thing that says iTunes and App Store purchases, enter your password, and then deleting apps, click on allow. And from there, if I were to delete this app again, I have an option to delete the app, remove from home screen or cancel. If I click delete app, that app will be deleted. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.